It's very important for troubleshooting and for security reasons that you get system logs off of your ESXi host and onto a central repository. If not, those logs can be lost and you may never find out actually what the problem was with a host if it crashes or has a hardware failure. In order to get these logs off of your ESXi hosts, I'm going to show you how to configure those hosts to use a Syslog server. Now, a great reference on this is this VMware documentation that talks about a few different ways to do this. The first one is that you can actually use the ESX CLI system syslog command set at the command prompt, either on the console or via SSH, to configure the host to use Syslog. Then, of course, you can also go into the vSphere client in your web browser and configure Syslog settings. Over here in the vSphere client on our new ESXi host, if we go into Manage and then into Advanced Settings, it's here in Advanced Settings that we can search for Syslog. And as you can see, that brings up 140 items here related to Syslog that we can go in and configure, with the most important item being the Syslog server. So where is the Syslog server? Well, that's actually the log host right here, Syslog Global Log Host. In fact, if we go back to the documentation, you can see Syslog Global Log Host is the remote host to which Syslog messages are forwarded. You'll also want to configure a unique directory, which is the global log dir. You can configure a unique log subdirectory as well if you'd like. You can configure the rotation size and the number of archives to keep as well. So that's how you configure your ESXi host to send logs to your Syslog server.